Andito tayo ngayon sa Grand Monaco in Barangay San Isidro, Parañaque City to check this new foreclosed townhouse. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the property. Lot area is 52 square meters. Floor area is 76. And this is 4.8 million. Ilan ang kwarto, ate? Sa taas lahat? May tulo yung taas? Wala naman.
Wala.
Ilan ang CR?
Isa po sa taas, isa rin po dito.
Okay. Ay, okay lang yung pasok sapatos, ate?
Okay lang po, okay lang po.
So dito sa baba yung dining and kitchen area, living area, bathroom niya. Then may service area siya dito. Pa tayo sa taas. So nandito yung tatlong kwarto. This is as is where is upon turnover, and first come first serve po tayo dito. This is the bedroom 1. And then meron tayong common bathroom. Yan. And then bedroom 2. Yan. Bedroom 3. So the unit is actually in good condition. Livable po siya. This is available in cash or at least 10% down payment. And then 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you're interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly.